This video is brought to you today by Ghost Tags. This is my own company that I started because I wanted a glow-in-the-dark AirTag case. These things are awesome. You can stick them on your backpack, on your dog's collar, and you will be able to find it at night. We've got two colors, blue and green. They've got great reviews. Go check them out. Links to them down below. Now on to the video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimathy TV. In this video, real quick, I just want to give you guys two quick little bits of news. The first one is that Apple's annual back to school promotion is expected to begin this week following new Macs. So if you're in school and you're planning on buying a new Mac, just wait just a little bit more. We should hear tomorrow that Apple is starting their back to school promotion. So the promotion last year was that Apple was giving away a free gift card worth up to $150 with the purchase of an eligible Mac, blah, blah, blah. You know how it works. But the best part is this free item was in addition to the already discounted products. So I've used this before. All you had to do is go to Apple's special link. They have a website dedicated just for these discounts. And you can see right here, it's typically available for students attending or accepted into a college or university, faculty and staff at higher education institutions, parents purchasing on behalf of a student, employees of a K-12 institution, and others. Now, if you're in the US, it's probably gonna launch the same time in Canada as well. Europe and Asia are usually a few weeks later. This is a couple weeks earlier than usual, so it's interesting because this almost confirms that there will be some new hardware tomorrow at the event. I'm super stoked. I'm gonna be watching the event. We'll have a video going over iOS 17 and everything new tomorrow. But for now, just keep this in mind. The Apple's back to school deals and discounts will start tomorrow. Let's hop over to what we expect tomorrow. Just for those of you guys that just want a quick revamp of what we're expecting hardware wise, an AR VR headset, which I am not enthused about at all. I think it's, I don't know. I'm just tired of talking about it. I mean, I've been tweeting this picture since 6 years ago, it feels like. So I just want to get that over with, get that stupid AR headset out of here. And so I don't have to talk about it anymore in these leaks. And I feel like most people are not going to be caring about that at all. 15-inch MacBook Air. I think a lot of people are going to love this because a lot of people like the MacBook Air and a lot of people like the 15-inch design. Before, you couldn't have both. Now it looks like we will be able to. A new Mac Studio for those of you that want this. The average person does not want this, so there it is. Now for software, we got iOS 17, which we already mentioned. These are the only things that they think is going to be in it, but obviously there will be a lot more. A lot of it seems to have to do with health and like mood tracking, journaling, just kind of boring stuff like that. XROS, which is going to be on the headset. It might be cool, but again, it's a AR VR headset, so I don't think that's going to have mass appeal. macOS 14, that is going to be pretty cool, I think. But the crazy part is we know nothing about macOS 14. Not a single leak has come out that I've seen specifically for macOS 14. So it's kind of crazy to think about how tightly locked down they've gotten macOS 14 to be. watchOS 10, we also don't know much about, but it will be interesting to see. I just bought an Apple Watch Ultra so I can load this up onto it and see how it goes. tvOS and HomePodOS, no one cares about those either. Now, of course, you can always watch this on Apple's website or YouTube. I personally prefer YouTube. That's totally up to you where you want to watch it. And follow us on Twitter if you guys want, up to the minute tweets and reactions. We tweet a lot on these days, but I think you might enjoy it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to link down below to our Twitter, to the educational discount page if you guys want to look at the Macs, a secret link that gets you, a little bit of money off. And yeah, so I am super pumped for tomorrow. Let's get this video out real quick for you guys. Hopefully you can watch this before the event. And during the event, hopefully you tune in to our Twitter and afterwards to our YouTube channel because we will have coverage going over everything from the event. So give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.